Hey, welcome to the channel. It is an exciting spring day, early March. I'm going to show you all this morning how we're going to take these elderberries. I'm going to show you how to space them, how to plant them, and how setting up early is going to get you maximum return. Stick around. Okay, so according to everyone out there, when you're planting elderberries, your rows need to be anywhere from 10 to 12 feet apart. And then when you plant your first elderberry, they need to be 4 to 5 feet. Okay, I'm a guy that is always looking at expansion. So what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to go 12 feet apart. I'm going to go 5 feet each. Okay, so what I've done, as you can see, I've got my fence over here, my field fence. Okay, that's my pasture. I don't want any sheep to be able to get towards my elderberries. I also want to have the availability, if I want to put another row in here, I can. But I need my tractor to get through here, okay? Brief explanation of why, if someone wants to know why I'm so far off the fence, that's the reason, okay? So, what I did, I took a piece of rebar. I went in, I've measured 15 feet off, and what I'm doing is, I'm going a rebar, and I went 100 feet down, and I did a piece of juke line right here that will show you what I've done. Here's the juke line, okay? So that goes all the way down 100 feet, okay? I came over 15 feet, okay? And I did another one. And I ran another line 100 feet down. So if you do the math, I'm not a math guy, I'm an English guy. You do the math, yes, there's gonna be more room down at the end once I plant these at 5-foot intervals. The reason that I did that is always plan to be able to expand, okay? So elderberries are really easy once you get started to replant. I don't want to have to put them in a spot to where down the road I say, wow, I wish I could have put in 10 more. So what I'm going to go ahead right now is get everything ready so that at the end of this fall, hopefully I can take a couple clippings off the new plants and plant them and have them even more. As you saw in my past video, and you can see it right up top, we got these early from Bur Oak Farms. I'm going to put a link in them to them again, I'm going to put a link again to them. You're really going to want to get elderberries from them if you do. So here's what we've got. You all remember in the past video, I've got the Bob Gordons. Look at all the sprouts in just a week, okay? We've had some hard frost this week. May not look like it now, but we have, okay? Same with this. This is the Wildwood. This one's a little bit slower, but look at that, 1 week, okay? We've got our, what are these right here? These are the Ranch. All three are showing a lot of success. And then this is just an American straight out elderberry. Nothing fancy names or anything, okay? Looks like this one's not doing too good, but we're gonna separate these. There's 10 of these. I will separate these and go in one full row. And then these right here will end up going in the other row. Cross-pollination, it's gonna allow for a really good pollination with our bees to be able to come in and get everything started. Bear with me with the wind. I've got my paint here, okay? Inverted landscape tape, paint. I have taken my roll of measurement tape and I've gone out 100 yards. Now, what I'm gonna do, just gonna go ahead, I'm gonna shake this up. We're gonna go 5 feet, okay? 5. We're gonna go 10. We're just gonna go through here and we're gonna know exactly where we need to put all of these. As you can see, it's a little bit windy, but this is gonna be for us to be able to know where to plant and not have to worry about it. So as you can see, this is about as simple as it gets. Every 5 feet, pick this up, go a little bit faster. Let's see, 80, 85 as I fall. Let's see. And there. Okay, so I've gone through, I've marked my whole line. Now we're just gonna start digging. Hey, we're back. I have dug holes. I want you to look. I just pulled the Americans out. And I want you to take a look. This is what I preach on this channel, okay? When I got these, they were all just nothing. I put them in a pot for about 3 weeks. Look at the beautiful roots that have come off. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna gently take these apart, just like this. See that? Look at the roots we've got to work with now that we didn't have when we got them. It was just this. 3 weeks in a good top quality soil, and this is what we've got. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna come right over here, I'm gonna go right in there. This is just how easy it is to grow elderberries. See that? Done, okay? We're gonna go all the way down this row. Like I said, 5 feet. Look at the roots, guys. Look at the roots. We're gonna come right down through here. All of this is native soil. You can see it's not good quality soil, but it is all they need to get started, okay? I'll come back. I'm gonna top dress these with some really nice compost and probably some organic topsoil. That's all it is to it. That's all it is to it. We're gonna go through here. I'm gonna plant this entire section in these Americans, and then we're gonna come back and I'm gonna show you the finished result. Stay tuned. Well, here's the end result. We have a full row, as you can see. I've top dressed these with just some basic high-end, not basic high-end, I guess you could just say some basic organic topsoil. Try and stay as organic as we can here. As you can see, these have all turned out well, okay? That's all you have to do for the elderberry. Now, what I will do when time comes and it warms up a little bit more, I will top dress these with some organic matter from our compost bin and get them going. But there is, we actually got one extra. Thought we had 10, we had 11. So all the way up through, we've got our elderberries ready to go. Tomorrow we'll start on this lane and we'll put in all the ones we got from Bur Oaks. Hope you guys have a great week. Enjoy your elderberry planting. Hope this helps. Any questions or comments, please feel free to put them below. Hit the subscribe button and thumbs up. Thank you.